Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust and use sleep mode in Soundcore Life Q30. And to do this you will need to set up your headphones with a Soundcore app. I shown you previously on how to do it in Connect to Android video. Now open a Soundcore app. Right here you can see the home, go for Superior Sleep, and right here you can adjust the different sounds with the sliders, so for example rain. By going more you can adjust the intensity of the sound, so let's play it. And you can add any other sound like birds and some of the weather sounds. That's, I think, I don't actually know what it is, but yeah. And to stop it, simply click on this button and it should stop. You can also click right here to add the counter on how long this sound will play. So you can add about 10 minutes and keep adding it for example, for 2 hours, and then it will stop automatically when we start playing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.